Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, heated steering wheel, clock, fog lights, power brakes, compass, trip odometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.